All right, okay, you are welcome back to another lesson today. God bless you. So today we are going to be looking at how to play Highlife chord and progression, and this particular progression goes from the 6 to the 2 to the 5 to the 1. So I'm making use of this popular Highlife gospel song. All right, so when playing this song, you may want to look for various ways to go to the 2, like various passing chords to the 2, because you will always be going from the 6 to the 2 to the 5 and then to the 1. So one major way you can easily go to your 2 is to have this, and then you have your major 6 as a passing chord to the 2. So you can do a walk down with both your left and your right hand. So you are doing this, all right, and then that leads you to the 2. So basically, I'm equally teaching you passing chords to the 2 on the key of F sharp. So we're on the key of F sharp. By the way, if you have not subscribed to the channel, you've got to subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And please comment so that you can help this video scale through the algorithm test, all right, so that other people also can see this video and learn and benefit from it. Thank you very much. So let's continue with the video. So I said the first way you can go to the 2 while playing this song is to have this, or that's one. Another way you can go is, so I'm doing a walk up on my left hand from the 3, 4, flat 5, okay, and I'm having this C sharp diminished 7th to the 2 to the 1, and the 1 I'm doing a major 7th, all right, or major 7th at 9. Let's just say at 9, right? Major 9th. So you have this. Okay, another thing you can do, that's, so I'm doing, so this is basically a minor 13th chord or a minor 11th chord, a B flat minor 11th chord, then to the 2. So I have the chord, I have this, and if you can't stretch as this, simply play this, or you play this, okay. Another thing you can play is this. Okay, so you can have this. So over here, I'm doing two tritone. I'm doing two tritones. This is a tritone. This is another tritone. So I'm doing to the two. So we have okay, so this movement I did. So this is a quarter harmony voicing. Some people call it so what chord, but I prefer to call it the quarter harmony. Okay, and I'm doing this chromatically over this tritone. Then to the two. Okay, so let's make use of our loop again. Highlife progression, and you have various chords and various passing chords you can play to spice up this chord. Okay, if you are watching to this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel? What are you waiting for, my bro? What are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and get more value lessons like this that will enhance your play as a keyboardist and as a pianist. All right, I'm going to see you in another class. Bye. Bye.